Vitracoat produces powder. We are based out of Lerma, Mexico, and our headquarters, our world headquarters in the U.S. is in Elkhart, Indiana, and we have an innovation center in Houston, Texas. Powder is an industrial powder coating. So anytime you're sitting in a dentist chair or you might be at a service station, a lot of the items around you that are shelving and storing things are powder coated, and that is our product. So a lot in the heating and cooling industry, a lot of your furnaces and air conditioning units are covered with powder coating, dental equipment, lighting equipment in hospitals and doctors' offices. And then we have a lot of outdoor applications. If you've been to a self-storage center, a lot of those garage doors would be covered with our powder coating. If you've gone into a convenience store, the shelving and the counters would be covered with our powder coating. Prior to me joining the company, there was quite an extensive search. So our ownership is much larger than us, and they run on SAP. So SAP was evaluated, NetSuite was evaluated, remaining on QuickBooks, which was not a very viable solution, as well as Dynamics. I think for the size of the industry that we are, the cost, the functionality, it just was a much better fit for us than QuickBooks or SAP. Yes, I would say we are very happy with our decision. We finished the project on budget and on time, and the amount of data we are now able to extract from the system is amazing. And we have really changed how we run our business because now we are a data-driven company. And before we were very limited to what we could get out of QuickBooks. I've done several implementations. So this one was on budget, on time, and we had given ourselves a go live target of December 1st, and we actually went live on October 31st or November 1st. If we have an issue and it is not caused, it's not a critical issue, we can email it and the response times are met. And if we need a tutorial on a specific topic, we can get that scheduled, and then consultants that had worked on our implementation are there to teach us kind of the next step. So you might have an item master, but now you want cross-reference to your customer part numbers. That might have not been its scope at Go Live, but it was mentioned and you saw the functionality, you just didn't get a deep dive. And because of the model, we're able to have a half-hour to 90-minute session and really deep dive. And if we need extra help, you guys are always there to continue the journey with us. I've been on a lot of implementations and I've worked with a lot of consultants all over the world. In fact, I've been very fortunate in my implementation career. And I think that the Sabre consultants are some of the best that I've ever worked with. And that just makes the implementation even smoother, because I've been on implementations where you feel like you're kind of training the consultant or learning with them. And that is certainly not the case with Sabre. Sabre has top-notch consultants on their team, and it's really a concierge level service because they know the software and they are very good business consultants and they guide you through that process.